Thank you. So again, my name is Benjamin Bell, and I hate to beat the horse to death, but Jerry, I just gotta say, man, wow. It's so cool playing after you, man, and consciously or subconsciously, you've had a hand in shaping the music that all of us up here are making, so thank you for that. And I definitely want to get your book and hear some of that stuff, like sounds. And I kind of want to hear some of the stuff that's not in the book. Alright, so that last song I played, that was the first song that I wrote when I came to Nashville. And I was here back in December, and Debbie was so kind to invite me to come back and play tonight. And after I played here that night at the open mic, I went home and I wrote this song. There's a quarter in a jukebox on an old Merle Haggard song, waiting to tell the story of a life that's gone all wrong. And there's a man from Oklahoma with a wife and 2 kids on a train to California, trying to find out who he is. 'Cause we're all lost along a broken highway, trying to find a light to guide us home, never knowing which one is the right way. So we just wander around until we're gone. She turned 17 under that warm September sun, with a boy who said if she said yes, she'd be his only one. And he reads from the good book that his mama gave her son. And even though he don't believe, he still prays he'll move on. 'Cause we're all lost along a broken highway, trying to find a light to guide us home, never knowing which one is the right way. So we just wander around until we're gone. I picked up this old guitar when I turned 21. Some other dreams abandoned me, I was lost and alone. Now these strings and chords and melodies and words are all I know. Late nights, dark rooms, and strangers, that's where I feel most at home. 'Cause we're all lost along a broken highway, trying to find a light to guide us home, never knowing which one is the right way. So we just wander around until we're gone. 'Cause we're all lost along a broken highway, trying to find a light to guide us home, never knowing which one is the right way. So we just wander around until we're gone. So I just wander around until I'm gone. I'll just write these songs until I'm gone.
Benjamin Bell.
Thank you guys so much.
And we got one more from James Morris. Again, Maddie Butler, Michaelan Hay, Julia Haggerty, and Roger Beck.